Hello everyone, you are welcome again to my channel How to Get Paid. My name is Edida. I make videos every single day on how to make money online by using your mobile phone or your computer and internet connection. Today I am going to show you the application that you can use to buy or sell cryptos, and you can use this application to send money out of African countries for free. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel because your subscription is the main support for me. And remember to like this video because it take me long time to record a video like this, okay? And you have to hit a like button if this video is going to work for you, okay? This app that I'm going to share with you is called Yellow Card, and many people have asked me how to use Yellow Card step by step. If you have ever been using Yellow Card, you have to watch this video because I am going to show you step by step how to register and how to start using Yellow Card, okay? Let me try to share you my screen so that you can get everything. I will start by explaining what is Yellow Card, okay? Yellow Card is a good solution for buying, selling and receiving Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum and much more. You can manage your business payment by connect your business to Africa with one API, manage customer transaction effortlessly. Yellow Card is the largest cryptocurrency exchange on the Africa continent, operating across 16 countries. Yellow Card is the financial service company that offers a crypto exchange easily across border payment, powered by crypto and API suite for companies to own and off-ramp anyone on the continent and abroad. In 2022, Yellow Card announced its fund raise of 40 million, bringing total funds raised to 57 million, the most capital raised by African cryptocurrency company. Now, if you are worried about how to send or buying crypto, even how to send money across African countries, Yellow Card is a good solution for you, and that's why I am making this video for my people who have asked me how to use Yellow Card step by step. Now, if you are some of them, you have to watch this video until to the end, okay? For new beginners, you need to download the application on Google Play Store or App Store, but remember to check the link under this video's description box. Now, once you have downloaded the app, you need to launch the app or open the app, and you have to follow steps that I'm going to show you, okay? Now, once you have launched the app, you have to tap on this black button named sign up, tap on it, and you have to select the language. If you are using an English, you have to tap on English, and you have to tap on next. You have to tap on get started, and you have to select the country of residence. You have to scroll down, and you can see that all African countries are available here, and my residence country is Rwanda. That's why I have to tap on Rwanda and tap on next, and I have to enter my first name. I have to enter my last name, and I have to enter my nickname, and I have to tap on next, okay? I have to identify my birthday, and after that I have to tap on next. I have to enter my phone number, and tap on next. I have to verify my phone number by tapping on this white button and tap on next. I have to get the code via WhatsApp or get code via SMS, but I am recommended to use WhatsApp because via SMS it is slower. That's why I have to tap on this first button so that I can get a code via WhatsApp. Okay, let me open my WhatsApp to check for the code. You can see I can copy my code and go back to the yellow card, so it is automatic. I have to tap on next. I have to choose a password. Okay, this password must contain at least 8 characters with uppercase letter, lowercase letter, special character and numbers, and tap on next. I have to create my PIN with 4 digits and tap on next. I have to confirm my PIN and tap on next. And I have to enter my email address. And I have to tick in this button, okay? And I have to tap on next. And this is the most important part that you don't wanna miss, okay? You can see, do you have a reward code? This could be a promo code that gives you credit or your friend's referral code. Now you have to check my code under this video description box, or you can check it on your phone's screen, and you have to enter it here so that you can get some credit after you finish registration. Okay, after that you are going to get this page saying that thanks for creating your account, make your first deposit to start your journey to financial freedom. Once you find your wallet, you can buy crypto. You can tap on deposit, or you choose to do it later. Let's choose to do it later, no problem. Alright, we have created our account successfully. We can buy crypto, we can sell, we can deposit, we can withdraw. Now first we have to make a deposit because on our balance it is showing 0 balance. The first thing you need to do, if you have a 0 balance, you need to make a deposit by tapping on this deposit icon, and you can read this information. You can now deposit or buy and sell crypto with a limit of this amount in Rwandan francs. To increase your limit, withdraw money or send crypto, you will need to verify your account. Okay, our account is not yet been verified. Okay, let's tap on increase limit now so that we can verify our account. First, we need to verify our identity. Okay, first we need to verify identity and our email. Okay, let's first verify our identity. We have to tap on this fresh icon and we tap on next, and we have to choose any of these. Let's choose salary, for example, and tap on next. We have to identify our address, street address. And we have to select state. State is Nyarugenge, then postal code. And then country is Rwanda. I have to tap on next. My residence is Rwanda, and then I have to choose document type, that is national ID, and I have to enter my ID number. Okay, and tap on next button, and then I have to confirm if this information is correct. Okay, I have to confirm. And then I have to upload my photo of ID. Okay, I have to tap on yes, allow. grant access. I have to allow the permission. If you are happy with the photo quality, you have to tap on yes, I am happy. But if your photo isn't clear, you have to tap on retake. Okay, let's tap on yes, I am happy. While my document is being uploaded, and you can see that thanks, we are reviewing your details. Please give us a few minutes to verify your account. We will email you as soon as it's ready. Okay, I have to tap on I understand. And remember, I have to go to my Gmail so that I can verify my email. This is the support email from Yellow Card. I have to launch this email and tap on this yellow button named verify email address. Okay. Guys, I think that is enough for today's video. You have to complete identity verification so that you can start buying or selling cryptocurrency, even sending money for free all of African countries. Let me see you soon in the next video. I love you. Ciao, ciao.